This all like this fashion thing. You can like here.
Bago na gumaya ka.
Just please. Eh, tu dia.
Ay, kumplado.
Dito, panglagay sa ano? Panglagay sa rep. Ihampas lang yan ni Sayon.
Yes, ma'am. The fabric good. Also inside we have a more color. See this is
How
all-
much? How much?
Sorry?
One pair.
It's a different quality. You see, we have a promotion like two-suit, two-pant, t-shirt, $299. Yeah. For two, two suit.
Two suit.
Yeah. Two suit, two pant, two shirt, two tie. It's like a two. It's for $299.
Like 1, 2, like
Yes,
that.
yes, yeah. $299.
With this,
Yes, yes.
with this.
Yes, yeah. Also this.
Oh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 pieces.
Yeah, for this one is the promotion.
Oh, Jeff. Isang tie, isang polo, isang suit, isang pantalon. Dalawa sila. For only, sabihin na natin, $300. So, 15,000. Dalawa. 7,500. Ang